Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited today.
Yes, we are.
Because we are sharing one of my favorites. It's a Korean beef quesadilla.
What? Did you really say that?
Well, okay.
That sounds amazing.
One night, I was craving Korean food and he came up with this for me like on the fly.
Yes, I did.
Pretty
Actually,
awesome.
I remember because it's when she was pregnant. She had all these cravings, and this was one of them.
Yes.
She didn't just want her cheddar cheese quesadilla. She wanted Korean beef quesadilla. So
we did it.
Here we are.
And it was so amazing. So that's why we wanted to share it with you guys.
And what I love about this recipe, it's super easy to make,
Yes.
and you probably have all these ingredients inside your fridge right now.
Hopefully.
Trust me on it. Hopefully, if you don't, go get it.
Okay.
And just to let you guys know, the recipe will be in the description below, so check that out. So let's get right into making the sauce.
Yes, let's do it.
That's the key, the sauce. All right, Mama, you go do the sauce.
All right,
you do it.
so we're gonna
My little sous chef here.
We're gonna start with some soy sauce, and I think this is light.
Yeah, light soy sauce, which I like. It's not too salty. You will not need salt in this dish because obviously the soy sauce. If you guys are gluten-free, by all means use some gluten-free soy sauce. But make sure it's light because, you know, soy sauce could be really salty.
Yeah, that's a good tip actually. And then we're adding some brown sugar.
Brown sugar, you need that brown sugar.
Okay.
Let me whisk that up a little bit.
And then we are adding some garlic.
Fresh garlic. Gotta use fresh garlic.
Okay. Fresh ginger.
Beautiful. You need that ginger. There's that Korean.
Oh,
All the Korean flavors blending in together right now.
I like the smell of ginger.
I know, right?
And then we have
some toasted sesame seeds.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is looking incredible already.
And it's so easy. And then
Ooh, this is it.
we have a little
she's making
chili
it hot.
paste. Well, you need that kick, right?
You need that kick. Now, if you guys don't want to use chili paste, by all means use chili pepper flakes.
Oh, yeah.
Works as well, but I just like the chili paste in there.
Me too.
Oh my God. Let's get right into the beef. I have a pan here that's been preheated already. Non-stick pan. We're gonna add a little bit of oil here. I'm using avocado oil. I just love the avocado oil. If you don't have avocado oil, use light olive oil, something that gives high heat, of course. Add some beef, and I'm actually using an 80-20, which is basically 80% lean, 20% fat.
You need the fat.
You need the fat. You know, this is quesadillas, right? Don't make it healthy here.
No, well, the fat makes it more flavorful.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
You want to have the fat.
I mean, you could do 85-15, you could do 90-10, but trust me, the 80-20 is perfect. So we're gonna cook the ground beef until it's nice and brown. So make sure when you're cooking the beef down that you press down against the pan and you make the ground beef nice and crumbly. That way it's going to be easier to put onto your tortillas. You don't want big chunks of beef. And then we're going to add our sauce right into this beef, and we're going to cook that down for a couple of minutes until all those flavors marry together. So the beef is all cooked down. You saw this house smells like you're in Koreatown right now. I love it. I love it. I love the smell.
It's so good.
I mean, look at this beef. Can you guys see this?
And it was so easy.
Look at that.
So.
Smell that. Oh.
Oh gosh, that's so
And
good.
it's got a little heat to it. So let's get into the quesadillas. Let's assemble these quesadillas. I have flour tortillas, a nice big tortilla. If you guys don't want to do flour tortillas because you're gluten-free, by all means, gluten-free tortillas. Easy. All right, so let me start this quesadilla. You want to help?
No. Well, yeah.
She doesn't want to help.
No, no.
What kind of sous chef is this? It's the married life. Married to food, you see?
Exactly.
All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to do half of the quesadilla. So you'll see. So I'm putting the meat mixture on half. Better, right? Okay, now,
We're going to add...
wifey, cheese. We're adding mozzarella cheese. I love the mozzarella. I know. Sounds Italian, because it is. Italian cheese, right? Mozzarella.
But it's nice and it's light.
But it's nice. It's light. You can do cheddar cheese if you want. I've tried with cheddar, remember? And it was, I didn't care for it.
I think the mozzarella's better.
Mozzarella's nice. And then, more of that Korean influence here. Some scallions, or green onions, right?
Yes.
Look at that. And then, watch this. We're just going to fold this in half. That's it. Press down.
And cook it.
Bam. Okay, ready? I got coconut oil cooking spray. Again, avocado spray, coconut oil spray, olive oil spray. Just gonna do a little spray, a little hairspray. Want a little hairspray?
No.
We're gonna add the
Quesadilla.
quesadilla right on there. Oh, you can hear
And
this.
really, all you're gonna do is cook it on both sides for a couple of minutes.
A couple of
and that's
minutes. You want to make sure it's brown on both sides, nice and golden brown. You want to open it up a little bit. You want to make sure the cheese is melted and all those flavors just blend together.
it. So the moment we've been waiting for.
Yes!
Well, we cooked it, and now it's time to eat it.
To eat it. She wants to eat it. Look at this. How
Yeah.
beautiful. I'm letting it cool down a little bit because we don't want to.
What? No, let's just
You
eat
don't want
it.
it to eat it too hot because then you're going to burn your mouth. All right, I'm going to cut it up.
Okay, cut it up.
Now, I'm going to cut it. You hear that? Oh my God.
So good.
I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. That's usually how we serve it. Oh my
Ooh,
goodness.
I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm not even gonna wait for you to
But
eat it.
let's show people. Look at that.
Okay.
Show people what this looks like. Look at
It
that.
smells really good.
Yeah, cheers, baby. Oh, it's
Cheers.
dripping everywhere. I love it. It's that beef.
Oh
Oh
my
my
god.
God.
That's so good.
You taste all the flavors in it. It's got a little heat at the end. You can taste the sweetness of the brown sugar,
The
the
cheese.
beef, the scallions in there, the ginger pops, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Excuse us while we eat.
It's one
I
of
need
those
an ice
things
cold
like,
beer.
like, you know, like a craving, you indulge, and it just hits that spot.
Wow.
So good.
Oh, I just got a little heat in there. Oh my God. Listen, you guys gotta make this.
Yes.
I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Especially for the summer, everybody's doing parties right now, right?
Ah.
Make this for your family, your friends. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell to get all these fabulous recipes. That's it, man. I mean,
Yeah, that's it.
do you like it?
I love it.
She loves it. She's
I love
happy.
it.
As long as wifey's happy, that means
That's right. Happy
all I
wife, happy life.
That's what they say. Anyway, I'm gonna eat more.
Okay, wait. Is that not true?
Yes, it is. It is. I just have to agree. Agree, everybody.
Oh my God.
All you married folks there, agree, okay? All right, I love you.
Love you too.
Bye, guys.
I love you too. Did you say I love you or you love them?
I love them and I love you. Bye, guys. I'm gonna eat more.
Bye.